Ever pondered why certain online ads make you click while others barely register a blip on your radar? Well, welcome to the intriguing world of neuromarketing. It's a field that combines neuroscience with marketing to tap into the subconscious mind of consumers, especially millennials and Generation Z. Neuromarketing techniques are used to understand not just what consumers prefer, but also why they prefer it. It delves into our emotions and decision-making processes to predict how we'll react to different marketing strategies. It's like having a secret window into the mind of your customer, allowing you to tailor your e-commerce strategies to their unique preferences. In the world of e-commerce, where competition is fierce and attention spans are short, neuromarketing can give you an edge. It's about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. So, neuromarketing isn't just about selling a product, it's about understanding the complex human mind and its purchasing patterns. Consider this: a popular e-commerce site noticed a significant drop in their sales. They turned to neuromarketing for a solution. What happened next? The e-commerce site got smart. They leveraged neuromarketing principles to understand how their customers' brains were truly processing their online shopping experience. They tapped into color psychology, knowing that certain hues trigger specific emotions. They strategically placed their products, understanding that our eyes naturally gravitate towards certain areas of a page. And they didn't stop there. They used emotional triggers in their advertising, knowing that millennials and Generation Z are particularly influenced by storytelling and emotional connection. They didn't just sell products, they sold experiences, memories, and feelings. They transformed their online platform into a symphony of sensory cues and emotional appeals that spoke directly to the subconscious minds of their target audience. The result? A dramatic increase in sales and a deeper understanding of their target audience. That's the power of neuromarketing. Now that we've seen the impact of neuromarketing on e-commerce, wouldn't you want to harness its power for your own venture? Neuromarketing, with its blend of neuroscience and marketing, allows us to understand what truly drives consumer behavior, making it an invaluable tool for boosting e-commerce sales. We've seen how it can be used to optimize website design, product presentation, and even pricing strategies, all with the goal of appealing to the subconscious mind of the consumer. How can you leverage this? Start by understanding your customers' needs and desires at a deeper level. Use colors, sounds, and images that evoke positive emotions. Make your website easy to navigate and ensure your product descriptions are engaging and persuasive. Offer personalized recommendations based on browsing history and past purchases. Remember, understanding your customer's mind is the key to successful e-commerce. So, why not give neuromarketing a shot?